In this AMA video, I'm going to talk to you about copywriting because I don't know about you, but when I trained as a therapist, I was really excited about making a difference and helping people. I'm not exactly a wordsmith. So when it comes to writing my website pages or writing what I'm going to put to the post on Facebook and things like that, I trip over my words and it sounds a little bit clunky. So I bought a book which I really love and I use so much. I thought it'd be really good to share that with you. So this is the book, Words That Sell. It's a really good kind of reference book. It starts off with a bit of basics of copywriting, which is really good if you know nothing about it at all. And then at the front, it has some things like opening with a statement or opening with a challenge and some suggestions and loads of suggestions, as you can see. So that gives you a few more words to use if you're thinking about posting about something, a challenge that you're doing, and you think, oh, what can I say? Then there's some really good inspiration in here. Then it goes on to certain words. So say you want to say something's improved, for example, there's a page all with words all about improved. So you can get some inspiration about, instead of using the same words over and over and over, and you want to kind of use words that you know work. So it's a really great book. The last part, the third part, is things like closing statements and persuading your audience, and it gives you some really nice statements that you can use there as well. So effectively, you could write a sales page or a post just by following what statements this gives in the book. Love the page on justifying a higher price and what you might put in order to explain why your service is a bit more expensive than other people's. For example, it also talks about at the end like words that are commonly misused or misspelled, things like that. So anyway, it's a great book. So Words That Sell. And what I have done is I have now created a books I recommend page on my website. So if you go to Build It Brilliant now, under resources, there's two pages that I've added. There's a books I recommend. So you can click on there and Words That Sell is on there with a link to so that you can buy it. And also a few more books that I recommend. All of the books that I recommend I have personally used and read along my journey. And I've also done a tools I recommend because I had a few people asking me kind of what to use as well. So I'm going to expand this page a little bit more, but at the minute I've got websites, course platforms, and online communities and email autoresponders. So you can go and have a look at all of those as well. So I hope that's helped in terms of getting you some resources and some help. And like I say, Words That Sell, it's really good if you want some help with copywriting. So if you are currently rewriting or creating your website, there's a really good book to get. Or if you stumble when it comes to, you know, I'm going to do this on my Facebook, but I'm not really sure what to say, then things like that is really good. So that's it for this AMA, and I'll see you in the next one.